1 liter of oxygen at STP is made to react with 3 liters of carbon monoxide at STP. Calculate the mass of each substance found after the reaction. Which one is the limiting reactant? So if I say 1 liter, so the reaction first we'll see 2CO plus O2 gives rise to 2CO2, carbon monoxide. According to this, volumes, 2 volumes of carbon monoxide reacted with 1 volume of oxygen to give 2 volumes of carbon dioxide. Meaning 2 liters reacts with 1 liter and gives 2 liters of carbon dioxide. This is at STP, what we can take. Now, according to the data, if I have 1 liter of oxygen, 1 liter of oxygen is there. So we know 2CO plus O2 gives rise to 2CO2. They are in the ratio 2 is to 1 is to 2. In the question, it is clearly mentioned 1 liter is taken, 1 liter of oxygen and 3 liters of carbon monoxide. This is the data given data. If the given data says this much, we know for every 2 liters, for 2 liters of CO, 1 liter of oxygen is required. For 3 liters of CO, half of that 1.5 liters of 1.5 liters of oxygen is required. See here, for 2 liters, half of 2, 1 liter is required oxygen. For 3 liters, half of 3, 1.5 liters is required. But given is 1 liter, required is 1.5. So 1 liter is less than the requirement. Less than requirement. If it is less than requirement, then automatically this becomes your limiting reagent. So who is our limiting reagent? Oxygen is the limiting reactant or limiting reagent. Limiting reactant. So if oxygen is the limiting reactant, your product formation will be with respect to oxygen. Correct or not? So let us go with that particular one now. So according to the equation, 2CO plus O2 gives rise to 2CO2. We have taken 1 liter. This is our limiting reactant. According to this 1 liter, 3 liters is given. This is given, but consumed will be only 2 liters. According to this, only 2 liters will be consumed. 2 liters will be consumed. So when you say this, the volume of carbon monoxide left, volume of CO left will be equals to 3 minus 2 liters, that is 1 liter. 1 liter of carbon monoxide will be left. Okay, this is given originally. Remember, this is given data. This is required for the reaction. So left is 3 minus 2, 1. First part is done. Second, volume of carbon dioxide formed. Volume of carbon dioxide formed will be 2 times the volume of oxygen. So that is 2 into 1 liter, 2 liters. As per the reaction, you can see they are in 2 is to 1 ratio. Volume of carbon dioxide formed will be 2 times volume of oxygen. So 2 liters. If 2 liters is formed, we know 22.4 liters of carbon dioxide will be equivalent to 44 grams, which is the data for 1 mole of gas. But 2 liters of carbon dioxide is equivalent to how much? This is the question. So that will be equivalent to 2 into 44 by 22.4, which is equivalent to 3.928 grams. So this is the condition. Same way, if I want to know volume of carbon monoxide, now when you know carbon monoxide, volume of carbon monoxide left is equals to 1 liter. We know 22.4 liters of carbon monoxide weigh 28 grams as per the mole concept. Then 1 liter will weigh how much? That is equals to 1 into 28 by 22.4 liters, which is equals to 1.25 grams. So what did we get? 1.25 grams of CO is left and 3.928 grams of CO2 is formed in the chemical reaction. So the answer 1.25 grams CO, 3.928 grams of CO2 is formed in the reaction.